I'm at Renovo Skin Clinic and I'm going to turn this around. Say hi to Thomas and Annie who are filming as well. So I'm at Renovo Skin Clinic and today we are filming the HIFU treatment. This is high intensity frequency ultrasound. I used to get it once a year, but as I've aged, I'd like to get it twice a year now. We call it laser, but it's not actually a laser. It's an ultrasonic electrical impulse. It gets sent into your skin and you basically get a lift like this. I did it about 6 months ago at another great clinic and it still looks pretty good, but I looked in the mirror recently and I'm like, those smile lines are coming back. So I'm gonna do the treatment to try to get rid of a bit of my smile line. And then also, I'm starting to get a little bit chubby here again. I want to kind of fix my jawline as well. The other thing that I want to do is, yesterday I was at the office and basically someone came to me and it's like, Tony, you look more wrinkly lately. Have you been under a lot of stress? That was sad. The wrinkles are starting to show a little bit, and this treatment, when it goes up here and underneath the eye, it reduces fine lines and wrinkles. Not as much as Botox does, but it does really help. So I'm gonna have it done all the way around here and also on here. Before I do that, I'm gonna have a scan because I haven't had a scan in a while, and Renovo Skin Clinic has a great scanning system. This guy and this gel are one of my favorite things to do. So if you look at my Instagram, I actually have this on my Instagram. It goes around your body and basically destroys your fat cell walls without surgery, and you end up losing, I think I lost 4 centimeters off of my waist, and we measured in 3 different areas. I've done it twice now, and this thing's amazing. For about 40 minutes, there's no pain. It goes around to the sides, and it basically destroys fat cell walls. That fat is processed out through triglycerides, and then you kind of just get skinnier. So this is another great machine. Botox and fillers are really great, and they have, in this clinic, they have something that's very cool. It's kind of filler for your neck, and that's something that's not normal, filler for your neck. If you can see over here, so these are some examples. You see people pre-treatment, how they have thick necklines, and then 180 days post-treatment, it's much better. You can see the difference up here as well. I forgot to wash my face, because I still have cream on from this morning, so the scan won't be accurate unless I wash my face. So what you're gonna see is 3 flashes of light, and it'll take several, I think 6 photos, and those 6 photos will see deep into my skin layers, and it'll probably make me sad, because that's what tends to happen. Let's see the issues that have come up. Oh, it's already not looking great. So skincare is one of those things that you have to continuously do, because if you don't take care of your skin, you just get worse. About a year and a half ago, I had taken pretty good care of my skin, and I was undergoing laser treatments, once every few months. And my skin got really nice. My pores pretty much disappeared. But after that, I just got really, really busy, and you haven't seen too many videos of me actually undergoing laser treatments. Good God, do I have huge pores right now. Oh my God, that's scary. And a year and a half ago, it wasn't like this. I basically just stopped doing laser treatments, and that's the result. And my wrinkles for my age are really good. So you can see the blue is good and the red is bad. Joom nappun. It's in the joom side, which means really, really good. And this is sexo, which means pigmentation. My pigmentation is not doing well. And I was actually thinking of getting a pigmentation treatment, but I have to go to the beach, and you can't do pigmentation treatment and then go to the beach. So I'm gonna wait until September once all the beach stuff is done. This is under the UV light, and although it might seem pretty strong, it's actually not as bad as before. This is my skin kind of condition, whether it's dry or oily. And right now it's super on the oily side. So this is me trying to get back on the horse. This is my skin tone, and it's starting to go on the bad side because I'm red in some areas, I'm lighter in some areas, I got a bit of freckling going on. This is about a year and a half ago, and this was when my skin was really, really good because I was undergoing these treatments all the time. Tom after watching this video for more information. Your collagen production goes up for about 3 months, so your skin also becomes a bit younger, healthier looking, as well as being tighter. Right As soon as you do the procedure, your skin around here, your jawline just feels so nice and tight, and the fine lines and wrinkles kind of just vanish. So if you want to tighten your face, here are the levels. Level 1, do this kind of treatment, which is a level of HIFU, high intensity frequency ultrasound. We call it a laser, but it's actually an electrical impulse ultrasound that goes into your skin in several different layers, lifts and tightens at the same time, and produces more collagen. So your skin goes from being wobbly to being tight. Level 2 is to get thread lifting done from down up, which is usually done at skin clinics. It's very simple. You get injections of threads, it doesn't hurt too much, and then your skin becomes tight. Level 3 would be those threads plus this kind of HIFU treatment. Pretty good for most people that don't want to do surgical procedures. Level 4 is a semi-surgical thread, which is inserted from the top here, but it's not a full surgery. It's basically just an insertion point. It's kind of like almost surgery, and that gets your face really tight. Then level 5 would be the full surgical thread liftings, and these ones don't dissipate into your body, they just kind of hang out there, and that's as best you can do without getting a facelift, and they get inserted through your hairline so the scarring's invisible, and lift and tighten. Level 6 would be an actual facelift, and if you're going to do a facelift, almost don't even bother with a mini facelift, just do the SMAS facelift. We have lots of experience, and you know, even if you're 30, you could do a SMAS facelift and it would prevent a lot of things if you actually need it. And our oldest patients has been about 80 years old that did this kind of lifting. Mini facelifts are not that great. If full facelifts are way better. And if you do your facelift, make sure you get the neck right, because it won't look good if your skin up here is nice and tight and then your neck is all wrinkly and loose. If you're gonna do a facelift, look at your neck. If your neck is loose, consider a neck lift as well. Otherwise, one part won't match the other. They're going to remove the numbing cream now, because my face, it's been about 20 minutes or so and my face is super numb as it's gonna be. The only more numbness you can have is if you get an IV injection. Okay, that stings a bit.
So Emma Rosado is asking, what are you doing? What is this for?
This is to lift and tighten my skin. I don't qualify for facelifting or even thread lifting yet. So this is like a laser lifting. Okay, so this, okay, that one kind of hurt because it's right up against your skull. Down here it's not so bad, but up on your forehead, that was a nice kind of pain. It's okay for every single skin type, and actually after you do this, your skin will be better because of the collagen production. So I can already tell the setting is much deeper.
217이요? So 217 shots.
So I'm gonna do 300 shots today. And what you need depends on your case. That's why we have to analyze it first. My review of the feeling. At the beginning, it doesn't hurt too much because it's on a lighter, there's different cartridges which send the impulse into different levels. I didn't really feel it. It was very nice and light. But when they switched cartridge and they started to go into the deeper levels, yeah, you feel it. Even if you have numbing cream, you do feel it. Not as bad as the first time I did it, I think, because I got used to it. But you do feel the heat and like a pinching sensation because your skin is just getting tighter. It's manageable. It's not like pain-free, but it is manageable. But you should be aware that you are gonna feel it when you do it, but it's well worth it. That feels good because my face was really hot right after the treatment, which is why you can't just ask for the laser and say laser me and leave. So then this is the diatomicious earth mask, and I won't be able to talk.
So this earth mask is actually meant to cool and soothe your skin after the laser treatment. So that's what it's doing.
So this kind of laser is great to do by itself or after you've had any sort of skin treatment. The aftercare is so important with this so your face doesn't become super red. And then afterwards, sunscreen, rejuvenation cream is very important. Every time you walk out anywhere, you should wear sunscreen. Okay, so I feel fitter, like I was at the gym or something, but I know I wasn't. My fine lines and wrinkles are a bit less already, but it's actually going to improve, and then after 2 weeks it's going to hit its peak. So although it's improved a little bit, it's going to take 2 weeks or so to hit the peak. Might look weird, but I'm checking. I don't know if you can see my jawline. Should I stay in this position so you can see my jawline? My jawline just feels tighter. And when I'm looking at it in the mirror, it looks tighter as well. It just looks like I'm a bit younger than I was when I came in here. My mouth lines look like I had filler placed inside, but there's no filler. It's just plump. But it looks like I had filler placed. Not a big difference on my forehead because I didn't originally have a lot of lines on my forehead, but the mouth lines and the jaw and then around the eye area, it's much improved. So that's it for here. This treatment was HIFU, which is an electrical ultrasound impulse that gets sent deep into your skin, lifts and tightens, and basically makes you younger. Nice and tight. It also reduces wrinkles and increases collagen production for the next 3 months or so. You can get this treatment once every 3 months, but you'll probably only need it once a year or once every 2 years. Eunice is at the office and I gotta go see her. Bye everybody. Bye-bye. So, it's been several days since I had my HIFU treatment and this is the result. I'm gonna try to show my double chin. So these are the results of the procedure. Number one, I definitely feel my jawline a bit sharper, especially around the mandible coming into the jaw. I do see my face much less wrinkly, but it's hard to explain. It's not that I had full wrinkles, it's just that these little like fine lines, and they're kind of vanished. I still have wrinkles like when I smile and stuff, but they're not as heavy. Not much change on my forehead. The forehead is something that they do, but don't expect much change there. The change is kind of like around my eyes, underneath my eyes, my smile lines. I feel like my smile lines were a lot deeper before, like you can kind of see them. Having smile lines is a normal thing. Like it's just the deepness of the smile lines that makes you look a little bit old. And right now, they're just a little bit more plump, a little bit smoother, and I just look a bit younger. When I was out this weekend, I got that from many people. They're like, oh, you look a little bit better. You look healthy. Korean people say you look healthy. So apparently I look healthy. So this is the result. Seoul is the capital of plastic surgery, skin, dental, vision correction, and other medical treatments. Seoul Guide Medical is here to find you the best doctors, the best procedures, and take care of you from start to finish. Contact us at consult@seoulguidemedical.com for a free consultation with our specialists. Let us take care of everything and create a customized treatment plan that is right for you. We help you with airport pickup, accommodations, in-clinic translations, aftercare, and hold your hand every step of the way. Visit our website at seoulguidemedical.com for more information. Seoul Guide Medical. Happy patients, always.